Imagine waking up one morning with no debt, no money stress, and the freedom to spend your time exactly how you want. Traveling the world, building your dream business, or simply enjoying more moments with your family. That's what financial freedom really means. In this video, we're breaking down a clear, step-by-step roadmap to help you achieve it. Whether you're starting from scratch or already on the path, these steps can transform your financial future. Define financial freedom for you. Financial freedom isn't one size fits all. For some, it's early retirement. For others, it's being debt-free or having enough passive income to cover all expenses. The first step is to define what it means for you. Write down your ideal lifestyle. Then, calculate how much money you'd need each month to live that life comfortably. That number becomes your freedom number, and once you know it, you have a target to aim for. Master the basics. Budget an emergency fund. Next, build a rock-solid foundation. That starts with two things, a budget and an emergency fund. Track your income and your spending. Know exactly where every dollar goes. Then, set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a savings account. This safety net protects you from unexpected events and keeps you moving forward, without falling back into debt. Crush high-interest debt. Debt is the biggest obstacle standing between you and freedom, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. Here's what to do. List all your debts. Choose a repayment strategy, either the debt snowball, paying off the smallest balances first, or the debt avalanche, tackling the highest interest rates first. Whichever method you choose, stay consistent. Every payment gets you one step closer to breaking free. Build multiple income streams. To speed up your journey, you'll need more than just one source of income. Your job pays the bills, but wealth is built with extra streams of income. This could be freelancing, side hustles, dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or creating digital products and businesses. The key is simple. Create income that flows in, even when you're not actively working. Invest wisely. Investing is where your money begins working for you. Start with retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Then branch into index funds, ETFs, or real estate, and never underestimate compound interest. Small amounts, invested consistently, can grow into life-changing wealth over time. The earlier you start, the sooner you'll reach financial freedom. Protect and scale. As your wealth grows, protecting it becomes just as important as building it. That means having the right insurance, health, life, and disability. It means creating a will or estate plan. And it means avoiding lifestyle inflation, resisting the urge to spend more just because you earn more. Protect first, then scale. That's the formula for lasting freedom. Live below, your means and stay consistent. The final step is the most important mindset shift. Financial freedom isn't T about how much you make. It's S about how much you keep. Live below your means. Save and invest the difference. Stay consistent year after year. Because freedom isn't a lottery ticket. It's the result of small, disciplined choices, repeated over time. So let's recap. Define your freedom number. Build a strong foundation with a budget and emergency fund. Crush debt. Grow multiple income streams. Invest wisely. Protect your wealth. And most importantly, live below your means. Follow this roadmap, and financial freedom isn't just possible. It's inevitable. Your freedom journey starts today.